Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download Ludo King and play it on your PC. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the BlueStack on your PC. And after installing that, you have to open that. So let's open the BlueStack. So as you can see, the BlueStack is here. Now it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So wait. So as you can see, the loading is completed. And now I'm gonna make it fully screen. So as you can now it's done. So now what we have to do, as you can see, now we have to click here, and after clicking here, we have to write the name. For example, I'm going to write the name here. So let's write the Ludo and Ludo King. You can write whatever you want. I am going to write the Ludo King. As you can see in the suggestion section, you will see a lot of games. So if you want to download anyone, you can also do. You can choose it by yourself. So I'm going to play this one. So let's click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on it, Ludo King is open. Now what we have to do, we have to click on the install app player. So as you can see, the finally game is here, and you can see that these are the reviews: 9 million plus reviews and 79 MB is the size of the game, and 1 billion plus downloads are. So if you want to download the game, so you have to click on the install, and it will take few seconds in installation process, and after that you will be able to play the game. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can play this game. So see you guys in the next video.